morning, Kentuckiana Saturday. We're underway here at the Convention Center, getting set to open the doors at 10 o'clock for day number 2 of the Health and Fitness Expo. Really an opportunity for you to come down and pick up a lot of valuable health information. There are also a number of screenings you can get. We're going to talk about one in just a second. The University of Louisville physicians are here in a large area at the Health and Fitness Expo, and they're doing 9 different screenings, and one of them has to do with pulmonary functions. This is Dr. Fultz of the University of Louisville physicians. And Doctor, what are you screening for specifically here? What areas?
Yes, we're screening for 2 different types of common pulmonary problems. One is asthma, and the other is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, a condition that it's not uncommon to see in smoking individuals. Now,
you've got a piece of equipment here that is very new in the industry, as I understand.
We do. This device over here is only been out a few years now, and it's very helpful in helping us identify and manage patients with asthma. It's a device that really was not available up until recently, and some newer innovations with it have brought the size of it down dramatically, and it's made it available for offices and special pulmonary function testing centers as well.
So what you're trying to do is raise awareness of what people may or may not be dealing with, and then help them treat it, deal with it.
That's right. This is really screening. We're screening for individuals with asthma or, like I said, COPD. Too often, many individuals who have problems like asthma will go on for months or years with complaints of breathing, and frequently it might be a cough or wheezing or tightness in the chest, and they just put up with it, and they don't have to. And devices like this let us do a relatively simple way of testing to see whether someone might have asthma, and if so, how well controlled it may be, or maybe how out of control it might be.
Okay. The University of Louisville physicians, when you come in the door, they're just on the right, a large area here. This is one of the 9 free screenings that you can get here. We'll talk about another one coming up a little bit later in the half hour. Johnny, back down to you.
All right. Thank you, Reed.
I've been standing here while the show has been going on, talking Dr. Fultz a little more about this pulmonary, some screening you do here, and it is really cutting-edge stuff you're doing here that you can really, what you can do in terms of screening for someone that may have asthmatic or COPD problems.
That's right, Reed. We have this new device over here. It is a wonderful new piece of equipment that lets us measure inflammation, lets us measure whether someone has asthma or if their asthma is starting to get out of control.
Really, you can take it down to a very minute, detailed examination there that you're doing with that piece of gear.
You can. It's something that we've not been able to do before. This device, which has only really been out in the last year or two, and so many people will not be familiar with it. It complements wonderfully how you can help manage and diagnose and take care of somebody who has asthma.
One of the many reasons to come down here, a lot of free health screenings, and 9 of them are right here, University of Louisville physicians area. Please come down. 10 till 5 today at the WHS 11 Health and Fitness Expo. This is the final day. Johnny, back down to you.
All right. Thank you, Reed.